Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my shrimp pasta in coconut sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Please note guys that all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Also, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sharing. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my shrimp pasta in coconut sauce. Here I have my shrimp. It's already cooked and seasoned. I also have butter, garlic, cheese, and this is 4 types of cheese, coconut milk powder, my penne pasta, black pepper, Maggi season up chicken flavor, parsley flakes, all-purpose seasoning. I also have bell peppers, Escallion, onion, and I also have 2 tablespoons of flour that I'm going to use to make my roux. And I also have water. So guys, I went ahead and cooked my pasta for 7 to 10 minutes. I also mixed my flour to make my roux. And I also mixed my coconut milk powder. So guys, it's time to start making the sauce for the pasta. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the butter. Now I'm just going to add the garlic because you want to get all of that flavor from the garlic. Guys, normally they would add the roux with the butter, but I'm not going to add it like that. And what is a roux? A roux is like a thick paste that you make from flour when you want to let your sauce get a little bit thick. So now guys, I'm just going to add the onion. So I'm just combining the onion with the garlic and the butter. Now I'm just going to add the scallion. Now guys, I'm just going to add the bell peppers. And I'm just going to combine that together. So now guys, what I did was just leave this for about a minute because you don't want your vegetables to be too soft. So I'm just going to leave this for a minute and then get back to you. So guys, after a minute, now it's time to add my coconut milk. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the flour mixture. And guys, after you add the flour mixture, you want to mix this because you don't want to leave it. And you also have to allow your coconut milk to cook. So guys, I'm just mixing this. And guys, as you can see, it starts to get thick. So now it's time to season my sauce. What I'm going to do is just add black pepper first. I'm also going to add parsley flakes. And guys, you can see my sauce starts to make bubbles. So I'm just going to mix. I'm also going to add the all-purpose seasoning. Now it's time to add the Maggi season up chicken flavor. And guys, you can go ahead and add salt if you want. But because the seasoning the Maggi season contains so much salt, I don't want to add any more salt. So now guys, I'm just adding a little bit more parsley flakes. And I'm just going to mix this and let it cook for a minute. And guys, after a minute, this is what my sauce looks like. So now guys, it's time to add my pasta to my sauce. So I'm just adding the pasta little by little. Now what I'm gonna do guys is just mix the pasta with the sauce. And look at that guys. Wow. Now it's time to add my shrimp. Look at that. So guys, I'm just combining the shrimp with the pasta and the sauce because you want it to be evenly distributed. And guys, while I'm doing this, I still have my stove on low flame. And guys, basically it's finished. So what I'm just gonna do now is just plate it and show you what it looks like. And there you have it guys, my shrimp pasta in coconut sauce. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoy this video.